Here's how to pause your location on iPhone. So in this video, I'm gonna exactly show you how you can pause your location on iPhone. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So there are basically three methods on how you can pause your location. So make sure you copy all three of them to exactly know what to do. So the first one is you just have to basically go to the settings. And once you're in settings, what you have to do is just press on search bar. So once you press on search bar, what you need to do is just type in location services. As you can see, I got location services on my recents, but you can just type in location or anything related to location services. But yeah, once you type in location, you will be able to see the option right over here, and you will be able to see it location services, and basically just turn this setting off. Just press turn off again, and here you go. Now your location services are turned off and your location is basically paused. So yeah, that's the first method, and if you want to be fully sure, you can just go ahead and do the second method, which is also located in the find my area. Just type in find my and you will be able to see find my settings and share my location. But yeah, you just go to share my location, and here you'll be able to see share my location. So here, as you can see, it's already turned off for me, so I'm just going to turn it on. And yeah, I'm just going to turn it back off so for this video. And yeah, this is the second method on how I can pause my location. But yeah, once I come back, what I'm gonna do is just go to my control center, because the third method is just basically turning on my airplane mode. So we are in our control center now, and basically you just have to turn on airplane mode, because this is basically the last step, and you can just basically pause your location by just turning on airplane mode. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can pause your location on iPhone. So I hope this video helped you all. Leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace.